Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can delete your account in Shopify. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Shopify, and when you're going to be here, you just want to go left down corner to settings, and right here you want to click on plans and permissions. And when you're going to be here, you just want to click here, close your store, and close your store. Now you just add here the password and you will automatically close it. So this is pretty much how you do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.